Hare Krishna. Reading from the Chaitanya Charitamrita Antelila, chapter 20, text number 13. Sankirtana haite papa samsara nashana chitta shuddhi sarva bhakti siddhana udgama sadhana udgama Sankirtana haite papa samsara nashana chitta shuddhi sarva bhakti sadhana udgama. By performing congregational chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, one can destroy the sinful condition of material existence, purify the unclean heart, and awaken all varieties of devotional service. So, three benefits are mentioned here. Sankirtana haite. By performing the Sankirtan, Papa Samsara Nashana, all sinful, the Samsara Nashana means the material existence. It can destroy the sinful condition of material existence. Chitta Shuddhi, which is purifying the unclean heart. And Sarva Bhakti Sadhana Udgama, awaken all varieties of devotional service. Krishna Prema Udgama Premamrita Aswadana Krishna Prapti Seva Amrita Samudre Majjana. The result of chanting is that one awakens his love for Krishna and tastes transcendental bliss. Ultimately, one attains the association of Krishna and engages in his devotional service as if immersing himself in a great ocean of love. So, Krishna Premodgama is saying, which means it awakens one's love for Krishna. And Premamrita Aswadana. After awakening that love, it makes the devotee taste the transcendental bliss. Krishna Prema Udgama and Prema Amrita Aswadana. These two things. And ultimately, Krishna Prapti. When we are living in this world, gradually the holy name awakens Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema Udgama. And as the Krishna Prema arises more and more, Prema Amrita Aswadana. One tastes the bliss of, just like if somebody eats gulab jamun or honey, drinks honey, how they become jolly. Like that, when Krishna Prema Udgama happens, then Premamrita Aswadana happens. And ultimately, when a devotee leaves the body, at the time what happens? Krishna Prapti. Sevamrita. One attains Krishna and gets Krishna Seva, ultimately. And Sevamrita Samudre Majjana. Not only one gets little seva, one gets abundant service in the spiritual world. And one is drowned in an ocean of devotional service, immersing himself in a great ocean of love. Uttila vishada dainya pade apana shloka yahara artha shuni sabhayaya dukkha shoka. Lamentation and humility awoke within Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he began reciting another of his own verses. By hearing the meaning of that verse, one can forget all unhappiness and lamentation. Nam namakari bahudha nija sarva shaktis tatrarpita niyamita smarane nakalaha etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durdaiva midrishamikha janina anuragaha. My Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, in your holy name there is all good fortune for the living entity, and therefore you have many names such as Krishna and Govinda by which you expand yourself. You have invested all your potencies in those names, and there are no hard and fast rules for remembering them. My dear Lord, although you bestow such mercy upon the fallen conditioned souls by liberally teaching your holy names, I am so unfortunate that I commit offenses while chanting the holy name, and therefore I do not achieve attachment for chanting. Aneka lokera vancha aneka prakara kripate karila aneka namera prachara. Because people vary in their desires, you have distributed various holy names by your mercy. So some people worship Lord in Aishwarya Bhava. So Lord's names like Vasudev, that kind of names are more suitable for them. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Then there are people who worship the Lord in Madhurya, like the Vrajavasis. Then for them the name Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Such Madhuri names are awarded. Similarly, when a devotee is in a desperate situation of helplessness, then there are names which are loaded with compassion. Dina Bandhu, Dinanath. So the Lord's name is Dinabandhu or is Dinanath. That means he is master of the suffering soul and he is the real friend of the suffering jiva. Then such names are very wonderful. Or if somebody is not in a suffering condition, somebody is in normal condition but is reciting the pastimes of the Lord, he feels great ecstasy. Then there are many names of Krishna, like Govinda, for example, one who gives pleasure to the cows, one who gives pleasure to the Mother Earth, one who gives pleasure to the senses of the devotee is called Govinda. Go means all these three things. Vinda means one who gives pleasure. So in this way, Krishna has many names. Each name, as soon as you utter it, the potency that is hidden in the holy name comes out. As soon as one calls out, like Draupadi called out, Hey Krishna, Hey Govinda, Hey Gopijana Vallabha, Hey Dwarkavasin. Like that she called out. Immediately, Krishna extended unlimited sari to her. Similarly, Gajendra called up, Narayana, Akila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. Oh, Master of the whole universe, I bow down to you. Please protect me. Pahimam, Pahimam, Rakshamam, Rakshamam. Immediately the Lord comes. So in this way, each name is awarding the devotee some transcendental potency, some gift. And what is the advantage in getting that spiritual potency? As soon as the dose of spiritual potency descends on you, you become purified, cleansed completely. Just like when the shower bath descends on you. Just like in Mayapur Dham, when you take a bath, the shower bath doesn't have this thing, the top. It directly falls on the head. Immediately you wake up. Any amount of tamaguna will be destroyed when the water falls on your head. Similarly, the holy name, when it is uttered, it envelops the jiva, cleanses him, purifies him, uplifts him, awakens him, drowns him with pure love for Krishna and attraction for Krishna. And the jiva develops a higher taste and the jiva wants to more and more engage in devotion service. It gives inspiration. Although all the holy names of such potency, he says, Durdaivam idrisham vihajanina anuragaha. I am so unfortunate that I am not attentively chanting the holy name. I am not inoffensively chanting the holy name. It is my misfortune. Although you have done your part, I am not doing my part, my dear Lord. Like that, he is speaking the second verse of Shikshashtakam in very great Dainya Bhava, in his humility. So it is it's a very important thing for all devotees as we are trying to make a progress. Unless we feel this Dainya, that I am not doing enough for the Lord. Lord has done so much for me. This feeling is very vital for developing the required humility to approach the lotus feet of the Lord. In this way, the holy name is awarding so many things. It's awarding us, as he said, Krishna Prema, it's giving and it's giving, it's awakening the sleeping soul. In this way, he's saying that. So he sang this second verse. अनेक लोकेर मांजा अनेक प्रकार कृपा ते करिला अनेक नामेर प्रचार. Because people vary in their desires, you have distributed various holy names by your mercy. खाईते शुईते यथा तथा नामलय काल देश नियम नाही सर्व सिद्धि है. Regardless of time or place, one who chants the holy name, even while eating or sleeping, attains all perfection. Sarva Shakti Name Dila Karya Vibhaga Amara Durdaiva Name Nahi Anuraga. You have invested your full potencies in each individual holy name, my dear Lord. But I am so unfortunate that I have no attachment for chanting your holy names. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's transcendental lamentation is worthy of taking note. If we are chanting the holy name very mindlessly or carelessly, then we may not be able to attract the attention of the Lord. But if we adopt this Dhanyabhav talked in the second verse of the Shikshashtakam, knowing the Lord's glory and His attention on us, and His kindness and compassion on us, and our lack of servitude and our lack of attention, then it is worthy to contemplate on the second verse and develop that type of Dhanya Bhava. so that the chanting becomes more absorbing and more attentive and more focused, more in a prayerful mood, so that it attracts Krishna's glance and grace towards us. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord, who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki